So I'm venturing out into making knives. Went to the local junkyard trying to find some angle iron, little small pieces, whatnot. And I went across this railroad track that someone sold off. Well, for scrap, it wasn't shit. I didn't pay that much for it. Do you know what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to make it into my anvil. The only bad thing about it, it's got a round head. So, we got to do a lot of grinding. I've already started grinding a little bit on it. Yeah, it's going to be a lot. Right now I got my Metabo on there trying to cut it down slowly but surely. I just got to plane it down right here until it gets even. I might keep a little edge just in case I want to bend some things, or hell, I might cut that off. It looks like it's got a lip. This track's seen better days, that's for sure. So, I'll come back. So I got it pretty much level and started making my cut front. Pretty straight. Can't go better. I gotta get this bottom and we're gonna shape it. It's coming out pretty good so far. Alright. So I made my cuts. And we just gotta clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna shape it now. Should come out pretty good. So I used the bandsaw to make my cuts. Yes. It was easier than using a grinder. Just gotta sand all that down a little bit and polish it up. It's starting to look pretty good. Well, let me see if I can put this on a stand so y'all can watch me. Safety first. I forgot I got my regular glasses on. So I decided to put it on the belt sander and plane it down flat. That'd be the only easiest way to do it. So I'm just going to sit like this for a little bit and let it eat. go finish letting it eat a little bit more. I got a little 40 grit on here. I'm gonna grind it down, polish it up, finish all doing that. Alright, let's let it go. So here is the final product. We shined it up a little bit. We buffed it. Got it nice, looking nice and neat. And just got a fresh coat of paint on it, so let that dry. But all the pits, we just pretty much wire wheeled it and got as much rust out of it. Put a little Rust-Oleum on there and then put some plastic dip to try to cover up the pits, which, you know, if you ever worked with plastic dip, you got to put 10, 12 layers on there to actually do that. So I only put 3 layers, so screw it. Looks good enough for me. I mean, it ain't gotta look pretty. It's gonna get beat the hell up anyway. But that's it. Planed it down, shaped it. I might throw a little bit of oil on there. That's it. Hope y'all like it.